This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Joe Terrell. This home truly shows like a model. There is an open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings downstairs. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances with granite countertops and a center island. The kitchen is highlighted with luxurious espresso cabinetry. The large windows downstairs have transoms above which help to cover the home with natural light. The hardwood laminate floors flow throughout the first floor of the home. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, one of which is the master suite. 2 spacious bedrooms share the hall bath. Back downstairs there is a deck off the back of the home. There is also a paver patio and large backyard for additional entertaining space. The home is located on a large lot set far back from the main road and is a short distance from Fort Eustis, the military bases at Yorktown, Busch Gardens, and Interstate 64. For more information,